Well, the jury ended the week hearing testimony from rapper Kid Cudi. Tritico, our Fox 26 senior legal analyst, is joining me now to talk a little bit more about this. Kid Cudi, Chris, testified that Sean Combs broke into his home. He believes Combs was behind the firebombing of his car. What charge was this testimony important for?
So this plays into the RICO case against Diddy. If you remember, Cassie testified that Combs, when he found out about their relationship, Cassie testified that he told her that he was going to firebomb his car. His car was going to burn. And now you have testimony that it in fact happened. Now the defense cross-examined him and made him admit he does not know what happened, how his car burned. But come on, the jury's going to make this critical connection. Combs said, I'm going to firebomb this guy's car. His car was broken into, the top was cut, and a Molotov cocktail was thrown into it and it burned. That's not a great leap here, circumstantially, to conclude that it was Diddy who did that.
So prosecution is looking to prove these federal charges of not only sex trafficking but racketeering, and so this testimony, you're saying, goes toward that there was an organized crime situation going on.
Correct. And that's in the indictment, and it's one of the elements they have to prove.
Okay. Ventura's longtime makeup artist also testified on Thursday. She had direct knowledge of the violence against Cassie Ventura.
She was present in a hotel room. I don't know if it was the day that we've been talking about, but she was present in a hotel room with Cassie Ventura when Combs went into her room, Cassie's room, door closed. She hears arguing, screaming, things being thrown. Combs storms out, and then she goes in, and Cassie is curled up, crying. She's got bruises and cuts on her face, and she has to help her, not only console her, but then make her up for wherever she was going out. So she did not witness what caused it to happen, but again, circumstantially, we can conclude, and the jury's going to conclude here, that it was Combs who did it. She was not hurt when he went in, and she was when he left, and she had to make it all up.
And she admitted she didn't go to police because she was scared of him too.
Right.
The makeup artist. So the jury now has 4 days off. The judge told them yesterday, do not watch anything as far as media coverage goes. Do not have conversations about this trial. How difficult is that, though, for the jury to do?
Well, you have to assume, and you have to have faith that the jury's going to follow the judge's orders. And I've been in the big cases that I've been in, the judge really tells them, don't watch TV at all. If you're going to have trouble with this, just don't watch TV, don't pick up the paper.
You almost can't go on social media either.
Right.
You can't even look at your phone.
Right. Stay off of it altogether. And you have to have faith that the jury is going to follow these orders. You're in a huge trial. They understand that if they violate this order, that it likely is going to cause a mistrial, and they have to start this over again. And there's millions of dollars on the line here if they have to start this trial over.
Yeah. All right. The judge says they are on schedule for the trial, and next week a former employee will be on the stand. That's going to take place on Tuesday. Chris Tritico, thank you.
You bet.